various column features can also be modified. The catalogue, in fact, allows us to choose section type and size. Whereas for steel columns, we can choose the profile type and size. By defining the height of the column, we can choose whether to maintain the fixed point at the bottom or at the top of the column, and if we want it to move together with the other connected entities. In the appropriate field, we can then define a rotation angle and also change the bottom point's position and height in the floor plan view. In the Features section, we can set the column as visible on upper floor levels showing its outline and change its coordinates in plan view. In the height reference system, we can then assign the top and bottom of the column to the various levels or sub-levels. A height difference, the delta value, can also be defined as a height difference between the column itself and the selected reference level. Column materials can also be changed, choosing among those available in the catalogues.